Okay, well, I've just received my letter from the NHS. Today is the 25th of February. It's 12 o'clock and I've got my first jab appointment at 2:10 in Wakefield. There's my invite. I got this morning, but I did book online yesterday, and I went to the NHS website and booked both appointments online. My first one is today in about 2 hours, and I'm going to Morrisons at Wakefield. There's a pharmacy there called Pharmacy to You, and I'm all ready to go. I've got my paperwork, I've got my appointment number. I'm going there to have my first jab. The sun's come out. So here we are. What time is it now? It's we've arrived at Morrisons.
So half an hour early.
We're half an hour early, but you don't want to miss your slot, do you?
It's a bit early and late.
I need my mask. Park here then. I suppose we can just park here, can't we? What time is it now? All these 64-year-olds waiting. Is he 64, do you reckon?
I don't know, because I can't tell the back of his head.
It's a tent in a car park, isn't it? No vaccines are left here often. Oh my neck. People are that desperate to nick them.
That's the entrance there, look.
Where do I go in there?
It says entrance there.
The less uncomfortable you are to actually present that way around.
Right.
Right.
That's it. Huh?
You had it.
I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I've had it. Dead easy. I never felt the needle going in. Never felt the fluid going in. And I've had the Oxford Astra Zeneca, which is allegedly the best one, or it's British.
Yeah.
So I'm pleased about that. So yeah, it was great. You sit down in that room there first. They ask you a few questions. You've got to read a sheet to find out, you know, what they're going to do and what the vaccine can possibly do and all the safety things. A guy comes up with a computer. He hooks you straight up to the GP surgery in Elland, our local GP. Puts all the information on, presses enter to say I've had it done. Then I go to the other tent, that far tent there, and that's where they administer the vaccine. Very, very quick. I don't think I were in there above 10 minutes, were I? Are you managing?
Yeah.
Right. So you've just had your vaccine?
I have, yeah.
How did
Not
it go?
bad. Fine. Straightforward.
Tell us what happened.
Well, I went in there after being guided in by all these men in orange coats.
Yeah.
I went to a desk where the man took some details on a computer and gave me another form which I had to take down to another cubicle to
Did
fill
you have
in.
to fill it in?
I had to fill it in.
How did you have to fill a form in?
I had to fill it in, which is some details, name and address and what have you, and then waited for another queue to go in to have my jab.
Did you feel it?
I did feel it.
Did you feel it go in?
I did feel it go in.
Didn't hurt then?
No.
Are you allergic to anything like that?
Feel alright at the moment. So I've got my card.
You've got your card. Let's have a look. So you've got the Oxford Astra Zeneca
Yeah,
vaccine.
yeah. Same as you.
Same as me.
I've got a sticker.
Got a little sticker.
Give me a sticker.
Did you get a certificate?
She says I ain't got a lollipop, but you can have a sticker.
Wow.
Didn't you get a sticker?
No, I didn't get a sticker.
Didn't you?
No.
Just go back and tell them.
I didn't get a certificate.
Did you get a lollipop?
No.
I think you should go back and complain.
Disappointed. Let's see if we can feed some ducks. You got some bread?
Yeah.
Yeah, they come, look at them. Now then.
Are they hungry?
Oh, the ducks are coming, look.
Go
They're
on,
coming.
Ducky, ducky. Oh, missed.
Oh, you missed.
Nice, fresh, new bread.
Fresh bread this morning. Well, this is about as near as we're going to get to the Pink Lake.
Yep, not pink, but greeny brown.
Greeny brown. This is Crownest Park in Dewsbury. Our local park. We're going to live about 500 yards away, I would say. So we can come here and pretend we're at Laguna Rosa, can't we?
And pretend these ducks are flamingos.
Pretend the ducks are flamingos.
Oh, there's a rat.
A what?
A rat.
Where?
It's just gone in that hole. Look, it's there, look. See it peeping out?
Yeah. It's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah. You dirty rat.
It was a big one, wasn't it?
What about that big?
It was bigger than that.
Look that big.
Yeah. With its tail, it was that big. It was a Dewsbury mole rat. Eh? They don't take any prisoners then, boys.
No, no doubt.
I'm glad we're sat here on this bench out at way.
Yeah.
See the vultures? The vultures
Are they seagulls?
No, the vultures are them.
They're not vultures.
They are.
They're not vultures.
They look like vultures.
Yeah, well, so do you at tea time, but I don't call you a vulture. No, the seagulls.
Seagulls. Oh dear, we've got some Dewsbury more kids. Look at them
Scooters.
Yeah.
They're going fast, aren't they?
So, oh, here we go. Yeah, shift them bobbers, don't they?
Blimey.
This is Dewsbury Moor Park. Okay, so we've had a nice pleasant day. Hope you enjoyed the video, enjoyed the jabs that we had. Elland Road.
Enjoyed them.
Did you enjoy your jab?
No, I didn't enjoy it, no.
Yeah, you might have enjoyed your jab.
It was a relief to have it.
It was a relief to have it, yeah.
First of two.
First of many. First of many jabs.
Yeah.
They will call this episode the Jab episode.
Yeah.
I'd just like to say thank you to our subscribers and those people that have subscribed since we came back to Dewsbury. It's great, and we'll carry on putting out the videos as much as we can.
Yeah.
Right, well, okay, thanks for staying with us. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Today it's been a bit different. It's been in Dewsbury, it's been in the UK. It's involved our jabs, our first jabs. Me in Morrisons car park and Yvonne in Elland Road. Shh, Elland Road, where Bradford City supporters. On that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, it's a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1, bing! Adios!
Adios.